So micro trenching buckets are ideal for digging narrow trenches, but when are they most effective? Continue watching to find out. So some of the key benefits is that it gives you less disruption to the ground you're digging in. It's quicker digging and there's less backfill, so it's quicker when you're reinstating, and it saves on expensive products like concrete and tarmac. So some of the best uses are when you're digging like a narrow trench for electricity cables. That could include running electric cables to your garage or to a pool house or to maybe an on-site tennis courts or something in a domestic situation. Or even if you're running a cable from one unit to another unit in a commercial environment, obviously the narrow trenches is just absolutely perfect. Are you enjoying this video? Give us a quick subscribe. Another area that these micro trenching buckets get used a lot in, obviously, is for like the fibre optics and internet cables. As I'm guessing you've all spotted around the UK that they're digging these trenches everywhere for laying the fibre and internet cables. And as the residential areas grow, things like fibre and broadband are required more into some of these more remote areas. So micro trenching is absolutely brilliant for that. Another good example is running water pipes. So like your average water pipe is around about 1.5 inches in diameter, thereabouts, depending on whether it's a commercial or residential property. Digging micro trenches means there's less destabilisation on the ground, there's less mess, it's quicker, and it's much cheaper for backfill. So just to give an example of that, you could be running a new pipe to your existing property, or you could be, again, running a water pipe to, say, like some greenhouses or maybe across a golf course. There's so many applications where it just makes sense. The less mess you make, the quicker the reinstallation, and everybody's happy. Another area that seems to be growing is irrigation. So running irrigation pipes, you know, traditionally probably would have had to dig up like a 6-inch across fields and so on. But now the micro trenching is the ideal bucket for that, because it takes less out of the ground, it makes less mess, and it's just so much quicker. Another area where I particularly have seen this used quite a bit is in like a football stadium or ground where the ground's quite heavy and soggy. They've run irrigation pipes through them using the micro trenching, whereas before they would have used probably a wider bucket. It takes out more out of the ground, it's a bit messy, it takes longer to, for it all to go back to how it should be. So again, micro trenching bucket has got so many different uses, it's so well worth investing in one. So if you want to know more about the Rhinox micro trenching bucket and how we can help you save time, dig quicker, make less mess, then watch the videos here. We want to know what you think. So here's a challenge. Leave us some comments on your best uses for a micro trenching bucket. Are you enjoying this video? For narrow trench, digging narrow trench.